Do you want to add emojis to Instagram notes? You can put an emoji on your Instagram note with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add emojis to Instagram notes. First, update the Instagram app to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Once updated, open the Instagram app. Now, tap on the message icon at the top right corner to open the chat screen. At the top of your chat list, tap on your note or leave a note under your profile photo. A pop-up screen will appear where you can write your note. Now, long press on the text box. A new screen will appear where you can add emojis and set the note color. Tap on the emoji icon at the top left of the text box. From the list of emojis, select one that is suitable for your note. You can also set the color for your note from the bottom of the screen. Now, type your note message in the text box. Once you've added your desired emojis and message, tap on the share button. Your Instagram note with emojis will now be posted and visible to your followers.